This is how to get paid testing websites and apps in Nigeria. In this video, I'll be taking you through how you can start making money right now in Nigeria testing websites and apps. Can you imagine testing websites, checking if they are working, testing the various functions, different menus, the reason why they are created, using your phone, testing to be sure that they are doing what they are created to do? This one company will accept and pay anyone from Nigeria that is ready to take this job. Let me show you how much more you can make. This website I'm reviewing is saying that you can make minimum of $10 every hour. That is their base pay, that you can't earn less than this amount. That implies that you can make much more money testing websites and apps with this company. Look at it. Zip Recruiter said that you can make $26 every hour with this company. The minimum you can make is $20,000 yearly, average $53,000 yearly, maximum of over $100,000 a year. Can you imagine making $26,000 every year working with this company that is in another country from Nigeria, testing websites and apps on your phone? That's exactly what you can make. I mean, this website is saying about this company that you can make over $91,000 in a year. The minimum this website is saying you can make with the company I'm reviewing is $81,000. You can earn average of $91,000 and the highest of over $100,000. This is how much money you can make working with Tesla in Nigeria. And the good news is that you can get paid directly to any bank account in Nigeria. Look at it here. Payments are made weekly via Pioneer. Look at it. So with this Pioneer, you will get your money in dollar directly to any bank account in Nigeria. Below the description of this video, you will see a step-by-step process of how to create your account in Pioneer, and now go to the website to slot it in and start making your money. That is how I get paid working for Amazon and Google, so that you can start testing websites and apps, making money in dollar in Nigeria. Thank you. Can you imagine making $26 every hour in Nigeria? That is exactly how much you can make. I'll be taking you through what you need to do to get this job online and how you can start making money testing websites and apps on your phone, laptop, computer from Nigeria. So let's do it. This is John from Ask JOFA, where we review different programs and businesses that can help you make money online. If you are here for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and use that notification bell. Click it. It will help you to know whenever I publish new video every week. Also, use the various links below the description of this video as regard how you can make money and get paid in Nigeria testing websites and apps. Towards the end of this video, I will be taking you through how you can make more money passive, doing what you love to do, helping people online and any passive income from Amazon and Google. I'll be introducing to you the #1 affiliate marketing training center in the world. Don't forget that you need to test websites and each apps before you get paid. This training that I'm going to introduce to you will help you create your online business that can make you passive income every day. But to the business of today, how you can start making money right now from Nigeria testing websites and apps on your phone. So let's do it. This is how to get started with Tesla in Nigeria, and you can start making money, getting paid, testing websites and apps in Nigeria. This website, you must be very good to get accepted as a website tester from anywhere in the world. They only employ and accept 3% of well-tested applicants. Don't allow that to scare you. So this is website of Tesla. You can see, come test with the best. This is where you apply. Why join Tesla? The work is flexible, they pay very well, they have enough clients to keep you working. If you can get accepted on this platform, you are sure you have a long-time job. What is required of knowledge and experience with test management tools? That is that you must know how to use their tools, and you'll be trained and tested before you can start using their platform to test websites and apps on your phone or your computer. You are required to have knowledge and experience with at least one primary testing category, the ability to think and act like an end user. So you must be able to pretend to be a user of those websites or apps before you can be a good tester. Those are what will be required and expected of you. Must be able to manage your time, good communication skills, a passion for testing jobs. You must have great analytical skills. So on average, this is what you need before you can start testing on this website. So you should be able to have one or two of these, 3 mobile phones, either Android or iOS, a tablet, either Android or iOS, any of these device, one desktop computer, a gaming device, and wearable device. It's not compulsory you have all this, but the more of this you have, the better job you get paid for. But as long as you have any of this, you should be able to be okay. This is what you do. You test out application, you identify problem on website and you report it. You execute test cases and provide test steps. You provide improvement feedback for diverse test cases. These are the things that you discover when you are testing website, and you are expected to report them according to their reporting process. These are the steps to sign up and your journey as a tester to get accepted. The first step is to sign up and complete your profile, which is a seamless process. You do the exam that will result in you getting a TESLO capability specific certifications. So there are different certifications that will get you promoted as you start working with them. Then you get verified of your identity, national ID card, driver license in Nigeria, something that can identify and prove who you are, that you are authentic. Then you gain access to their network, tests in real and paid workspace. So you start working. The more you start working with them, they'll be rating you, then they'll be moving you up the ladder. But one major challenge with this company, which is a good challenge, is that you must be very good, because they observe that they only accept the best of the best in the business of website and app testing in the world. So they claim that they only accept 3% of people that request to join them. That implies that you must be ready to pass their rigorous test and start earning and making dollars working for TESLO in Nigeria. The good news is that this company will accept and will pay you directly to any bank account in Nigeria. The problem is finding such a good company that can pay you so much money and ready to pay you directly to your bank account in Nigeria, so you can work remotely from your home and start earning dollars. This is where you apply to become a tester with TESLO. Thank you. You now know how to make money testing websites and apps in Nigeria. This company will pay directly to any bank account in Nigeria via Payoneer. So what are you waiting for? You can engage yourself now. Try your luck, do the test, and start making money in Nigeria. I earlier promised to introduce to you the #1 affiliate marketing training center in the world that can help you create an online business that will earn you passive income. This company changed my life in 2016 when I discovered them. I went through the various training, and today I've created and still creating different online businesses that are earning me passive income every day. The story can be yours today. All you just need to do is to take a look at this video. It states how they've assisted me impact my life to start working full-time from home. I want you to subscribe to this channel. Use and click that notification bell for you to know whenever I publish a new video every week, and ensure you drop your comment as relate to how you can start making money testing websites and apps from Nigeria. Next videos will take you through different other ways you can make money working from home in Nigeria, and the second video will show you how you can take this affiliate marketing training and start making money with your own business online. Thank you so much for watching this video. God bless you.